Hey guys, it's Connor, back with another video, and I know that I said in my last video that I'd be driving my car, which is kind of true. We're going to go back up to Sacramento. There's a few things I need to finish up on the car. I did notice on the way back when I was driving that there was some rubbing on the tires, so I'm going to pull the fenders basically and install the rest of the parts. So that's what we're going to do. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and I did an oil change already, and I did the short shifter. I just decided to do that off camera because it's a little bit easier to just not film it. But basically, I got the tool I need. I got my cousin and my girlfriend behind me to help me out, and yeah, let's do this. So far already I have the tool on. I had to actually drill out the holes because this specific one didn't fit the studs, so I had to go drill out the hole a little bit bigger. But other than that, it's great, and you can see the new coilover I installed. But yeah, let's get the heat gun going and start rolling it out.
NASCAR, yeah, bitch, I might be sipping on Bud Light. That shit was icy. Made bitch wet, you would think she was a Pisces. Like BBC ice cream, big baby Earnhardt, I'm so icy. Money's in my face, hoes in my face, pocket full of money, I ain't running out of space.
Leave me alone, oh, dumb as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck. Money out the box down. Leave me alone. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because I'm not making money off this video.
This does matter.
So as you can see, I don't know if you can see from there to there, but it is definitely bowed out a little bit more. I don't really think you can see it on camera. You can kind of see that like right about here. I'm gonna go a little bit more, but yeah, actually isn't as hard as I thought it would be. A lot of people were scaring me in forums because they were saying, oh, like you're gonna crack your paint, and like it's just like you shouldn't do it unless you have a professional doing it. So we're professionals here because it didn't damage the car. So yeah,
that's the goal. Don't damage the car.
My Twitter, yeah. They call me Young Dagger Dick, that's my handle. Alright, other insurance companies, what?
Yeah!
Woo!
Meanwhile, Connor's just like, we're turning up, and Connor's just like trying to fix his car. Excuse me.
Boat song. Can't see shit, but I'ma do it anyway.
Where's the phone? Where's the camera?
Right there.
Concept, falsely accused, rest in peace. Yeah, rip your.
Yeah. Nice. It looks good. I can't see it.
Yo, just like on your deathbed, just like play some XXS, please.
What is money really worth? if it ain't love, I'ma find a perfect
I really don't want to go back to the auto shop. It's creepy.
We're not playing a song that's sad. We're not playing a song that's sad.
I'm sad and no, yeah, I'm sad and no.
Feel like Nick Cannon, cause I'm running low. I don't got no hands, but bitch, I'm off the one.
Hey guys, sorry I didn't end that video. I filmed it obviously over New Year's, and it's been a few weeks. I've been kind of busy with school starting back up and everything again. Basically, I thought everything was tightened and everything was fine, but it's still making a rattling noise. It's not rubbing anymore, so that's solved, but it's still making a pretty bad rattling noise, and I wonder if it's the length of the sway bars, but I'm not sure. I don't even know. Maybe they're not tightened all the way, or they've loosened. I don't know, but I don't have like a lift or anything, so I can't really wrench on it with the wheels on the car and like the weight of the car on it, so I might have to take it to a shop. I don't want to give in and take it to a shop, but if it's not the sway bars, then it's making a really bad rattling sound when I turn corners, so I don't know. I have to figure it out, but I'll make another video about figuring it out, I guess. But for now, I think that's pretty much all the mods I'm gonna do. Don't really have any more ideas. I mean, obviously I do, but I have to build up the savings again for it, or I'm thinking about maybe getting a project car. I don't know. I don't know yet, but just a cheap car to work on. So, but anyway, just want to, I guess, end the video off, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.